All right, everybody wants to get in. In fact, some people just can't wait to get out. I bet all these people are here for the Splash Mountain merchandise. Might be some pretty stiff competition, guys. Check it out, guys. It's Grass Mountain. I feel like I shouldn't be in the middle of the road. Look, it's the little train that couldn't. So I had to go through a temperature check. I knew I'd be good though, because I'm not very hot. And two guys, it's Adam.
Hello, everyone.
Just hanging out.
Yeah, starting to sweat, getting that Florida humidity. All part of the experience.
Heck yeah, man. Oh, there it is. Whoa, look at this one. I got the last Princess Tiana plushie from the Emporium. I'm gonna do a photo op at Splash Mountain, I think. There it is, guys, the controversial new paint job on the castle. I kind of like it. Sorry guys, before I start my day, gotta check my bank account. Want to make sure that freaking mouse didn't charge me for 3 payments today. Alright guys, so I'm on a mission. I want to ride Splash Mountain once or twice. And more importantly, there's some merchandise there that's going out really fast. And nobody knows when Splash Mountain's actually going to close. Might be a year, might be 2 years, might be next week, nobody knows. But I want to get some of that merch. I really want to get that that one Funko Pop with the flume log, but I don't think they sell it at the store. Hey, 210, that's not bad. What? It sold out? It was up for like a second. I don't want to buy it on eBay, it's like 200 bucks. I don't want to spend that much money on a Funko Pop. Hopefully no Passholder sees this video. To be like, if you can't afford something 4 times its value, you shouldn't be buying it. Let's go down to the shop theme place, the shop theme place, the shop theme. I'm coming for you, my friend. Probably you too. Wait time only 5 minutes. Not bad. Virtual queue for the merchandise line. And my friend are gonna ride Splash Mountain. I brought a little friend with me. I want to go there. Mini drop. I don't want to go to the laughing place.
You know when sticking your nose in the wrong laughing place this time for sure. Wait a minute, Grandfather. Let's talk this over.
I bet you wish you never been born. How pretty, baby.
How come you are laughing?
Got a little wet. I'm getting wet.
Don't you worry, Mr. Bluebird. I learned my lesson.
Oh no. They closed it? I drove 5 minutes to get here. Even in a pandemic, this ride's 45 minutes. Oh, great view. This is really thoughtful. That was not thoughtful. Hello? So, all the trash cans are already open so that you don't have to put your hand on it. So that's actually pretty nice of them. And then the recycle's already open. Uh-oh, guess in time. It's been a while since I tried this boat, and it doesn't look very busy, so I think I'll give it a shot. It's my first show of the day. That's pretty awesome. The music just kicked in. I think something's about to happen. Got into the store, guys. Plushies here. Got a lot of Funkos. Well, not a lot. There's some shirts over here. Oh, sorry. And then there's some more plushies down over here. This stuff is selling out like hotcakes. But you know, there's a whole crap load more over here. Got me some Funkos. Look at that plushie wall. It is empty, guys. And there's a few more things down there. I'm probably gonna get a shirt. Probably get one of each plushie too. Man, look how fast they replenish this plushie stock.
I'm sorry, what?
Insane. Got me some goodies. One Funko box. And one of each plushie here. It's pretty cool looking. They got the plexiglass to protect the employees. Definitely need to go over there to get my photo. I wish that was for sale. And here are the shirts. Oh, you're fine. Sorry about that.
You want a picture?
This table.
Yeah.
I wanted the gray shirt right there, but I only saw it in small and large. I'm more of a medium. So I had to pass on that shirt. Alright guys, so here's what I got from Splash Mountain. I got this 3-pack Funko Pop set. And I got this for my friend's sister. And I personally want the log flume, which is like $200 on eBay, as I said. So I'm gonna save up for that. And more importantly, I got these guys. I got these plushies from the place. These things were selling like hotcakes. Look how quiet it is here, guys. This reminds me of the good old days, before I was born. It is so empty in this area. I swear Frontierland was the busiest place. But out in any other land, it's like so empty. So sweet. Oh, this is my favorite place to be. People mover is people stopped. I really want to eat at Cosmic Rays, but I gotta save money for that freaking Funko Pop. Walk Back a second time. Still love it. All right, guys. So I was too hungry and I felt the need for some Skipper Canteen food. So I gotta check my funds, make sure I have enough to get that Funko Pop. There's like one table here, 2 tables over there, so including myself, there's only 4 tables taken here at Skipper Cantina. Dinner is served.
I guess I could do better. Can't believe I'm hearing this. I have been fine-tuning my fish puns.
I didn't think it would be that much.
We'll be boarding our boats today.
Look, we have a snake right up here. Let me know what kind of snake this is.
The big one.
No, it's plastic. Okay, we have a nice looking plastic snake that sometimes moves, okay? You sign on. You're welcome. This answer right here, this means one or two things. Either one, they're going to attack us, or two, they love the keys to the bathroom. His name is Trader Sam. He has a sweet deal going on today where you get 2 heads for just one of yours.
Time looking at it, I still love it. I think it's time for me to go though. I want to beat that that closing traffic.